Okay, this is a video to document the issue that I'm having with the Ampex 292 professional recording tape. I've experienced this with one box. I want to go ahead and open the new box so that you can see this is something that's happening right out of the box. I'm going to use the razor blade here and take off the shrink wrapping. Turn the power on here, pardon me just a second. So here is the shrink wrapping off of here. Here is the tape. If I can get the box to open, there it is. Okay, so here is the brand new Ampex tape, and it does appear to be brand new. And so now I'm going to tilt up here so that you can see the reel-to-reel. Put this on here. And now I'm just going to thread the tape. And now we'll see if this is going to do the same thing that the other reel did. If it does, you're going to see a bunch of flaking here. I'm going to zoom in just slightly. That's a little more than I wanted. There we go. And I'm going to hit the fast forward button here. And it's barely fast forwarding because of the drag on the tape. Now the other one didn't do this. Huh. Oh, I'm in play, I'm sorry. There we go. And you can see how the oxide is just flaking off the tape here. I mean, it's just the oxide just flakes off of the tape, and that's not right. The other thing, I meant to show you the side of the tape deck before I did this, but I can run that experiment a second time here. I'm going to rewind this. And you'll see that one of the reasons why toward the end it was rewinding so slowly. I'm going to pull the camera out of the tripod for a second here and swing this light around, and you can see right there the deposit of oxide that has built up right there on the tape guide. And just get a little tape cleaner on a stick here, and you can see as I scrub this off all the gunk that comes off just from that small amount of tracking that we did. And just that small amount of the tape going across caused all that flaking to come off. And I'll have to clean the rest of this off too. It gets on the tape guides, it gets over here on the other guides, but I'll have to clean that off later. But you can see the issue. This is, you know, I mean, it was in fact in the packaging as a sealed tape, but you can see it evidently wasn't stored correctly, or something happened anyway, because there is the oxide that flaked off for just that small amount, and you can see how it's rubbing off onto the tape itself, onto the tape recorder itself. So this is not usable, and I'm sorry, because I wish it were. This is exactly what I wanted, but I can't use these tapes because the other one does the exact same thing. So, and I can make a video of that too if you need to see that, but I mean, they both do the same thing. And so that's the issue that I have, and I will go ahead and end the video at this point because I don't think there's anything else that I can add to that.